If your cycling computer does not show the cycling dynamics information after pairing with rally power meters, please do the following steps for inspection. Please check the battery on the right pedal to see if it is dead or has poor contacts with the battery cap. Please check how your cycling computer and power meters are paired. If they are connected by Bluetooth, please switch to Ant+. If you are using Edge, please disable the rally sensor that's connected by Bluetooth and search for a new sensor. Connect to another rally sensor with the same name and check if it is connected by Ant+. Please check if your cycling computer is enabled the cycling dynamics. If not, please turn the function on and go to the Start Riding screen of an activity to see if the cycling dynamics is back. If your cycling computer is Garmin Edge 130 or 130 Plus or other non-Garmin cycling computers, they do not support cycling dynamics. If you are using Garmin Edge 520 or higher version but pairing with other brands' power meters such as Favero Axioma, your cycling computer will not display the platform center offset information as well. For more information, please visit Garmin Product Support Center.